Hey guys, we received this headlight design, colorful, undated teacher planner for test and try. This is for 2024-2025 homeschool planner. So teacher lesson planner or any way you want to use. So this is a really nice the printing book or the planner book. Very nice message on the top, and then the quality is also good. You can see the each page have its own design and the color with a daily schedule with the different notes and the different design thing. So this is the daily schedule that you want to put. They are the notes or the student name or they are notes you have to take. And then also the important dates and things. Um, so this planner is actually good to get all the information in one place. And the quality wise also the paper and things are good. So you can see the crisp and the vibrant color and then the use. So quality wise it's good, thick pages and nice colors and the printing quality is also good and you can easily write and do. So this also comes with the stickers, so you can use these stickers to put on your planner. So this is a one in all kit and comes in a really nice look. So I like this whole design and the stickers that you can use and put it for your planner. So good for the teachers to use as a yearly planner.